Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Shirley, also known as Backttalk, and I do anything Disney. And today we are in the Camarillo outlet. It is 4 days before Christmas, I think. We got here early, but there is already a line. So I will try to get as much coverage as I can. But of course I don't want to get people in my footage, so we will try. I hope you enjoy. Now let's hear all about it. Okay, so right as we come in, we have $11.20 dolls, which is pretty good. $70 for the Cinderella carousel. $40 power icon. I don't think these are on sale. And I will probably only show you the stuff on sale. I do plan to come after Christmas because usually they have an additional % off. So this is 100 with 20% off. Very cute, and you can put your dolls in there. $80 with 20% off. You have these tiny little dolls. I think they go in that. And these are for $40. They're adorable. Okay, we also have these ones, $40. I think they're the same, but you have Mickey and you have the Toy Story, and then I call these cake toppers, but these are all $18. We have Eiley, $12 for the fashion packs, and then $22 for the actual dolls. Toys, $22. 25, 22. But we're trying to hit the back of the store where the clearance is. It looks like kids' costumes are 25% off. Is that additionally? We have the Boo one, 35. They have the Walt Disney one, 7. For just a little onesie. And they have Alice in Wonderland for 35, but I think it's 40% off. Ah, no! You're welcome. Mike and Sully. $18. Oh, 35. Can match Grandma. I think Grandma has this one. Up. 25. Oh, this is nice too. Lion King. 35. A lot of new. I don't think I've been here in a while. 10. I don't know about this one. 40. Ooh, look at this one. Nice quality. 20. Nice. These pizza ones. Wait, what's this? Oh, this one's 15. It's a size, I don't know. What's it look like to y'all? Oh, la casita. I don't know what size it is. 30. 50. And more of these. Pretty sure Grandma has this. I think it'd be cute if I match her. If I just show up matching her. Okay, we have some of these 30 that a lot of people, including myself, bought at the parks. But 30 is not bad. I like the color too. I don't know if I need another one. But for 30, no, I don't need another one. But for 30, 30. You have some of these toys, 6. Park Pass, I think they go on your carrier. No, stroller. 30 for the Crocs. We have some Halloween shirts. 13. This is an adorable dress. I would wear this. 20. And then more rounds of clothes. This looks interesting to me though. This jacket. Little pumpkins. Oh, it's cake worthy. I don't know if it's on sale. Adorable. 38. 30. Adorable. Look how cute he is. Is it cake worthy? If he's 30 or less, I'll take him. Let me look for the price. It's 45. I don't know, y'all. I did say 30 or less, but they only have one extra large. And look at the ears. I don't know. 45 is a lot, huh? Okay, I talked myself out of it. This is cute. This is 21. Again, I'm gonna come back and film when they have the additional 20% off, because right now I don't know that the deals are that good. Bunch of ears. Are they on sale? I like these ones. 35. They are not. So I don't think these are on sale, but they have some. And they have PJs, shirts, sets, 30, 10. Ooh, look at this one. What are we thinking, 70? 65, I was close. Star Wars, 20. Star Wars PJ, 20. Pizza Planet, ooh, cute, 35. More casita ones, 15. Oh, small? Small. Finally found the sizes. Star Wars, I kind of like this one. It's a dress, huh? 30. I love this one, but they don't have my size. I already know. 20. Avengers. Very cute. Okay. And then customs. Let's go like up there. Holiday stuff is 40% off. This is cute. But yeah, just 40% off. Ooh. Okay, these ones are on sale. 21. I haven't seen these ones. 25. 21. For your ears, 10. 10. 13. For your puppy. Ooh, pins. Okay, luggage tags, regular price. These are regular price. Yeah, regular price. 35. Yeah, this is regular. This fan, it's 8. Oh, Halloween. And this munchkin. Oh, mouse pad, 10. I like this. If it's on additional sale, I might get it. 17. 25. Ooh, I like this one. 15. Ooh, I do like it though. Do I need it? If it's on sale, if it's still here. 25. They have a bunch. They have kid sale. 12. Adorable. 15. Little packs. 17. This would be a good gift. Yeah. Cups 8. Groomsmen. Bridesmen. So there's both. Bridesmaid. Groom. Brides. There. Bride. There's both. We have cups. This is one on sale. It's adorable. It's 13. Corksicle. 13. Oh, I didn't see ornaments. I'll go back and see. They have this one for 13. Lounge flies. Let me see if they're on sale. I don't think they are. No, that one's not. I think they're just normal. 89. Yeah, they're normal. 79. Hello. Winnie the Pooh. I don't know if they're all normal price. I think they are. 89. Yeah. Normal priced. Huh. Oh, these are 90 on sale. These are the Lily Pulsars. 82. Look at this one. It's a cake worthy. 40. And then these, I don't think they're on sale. 50. Maybe later, because it's still Christmas, so they might be counted as Christmas. Huh. Okay. Let's see if there's anything else on sale. 20% off graphic tees. PJs are normal price, 30% off PJs. There is a round of kids clothing, $22. Let me know if you ever want me to slow down on the kids stuff. $8. I tend to skip it. I'm not gonna lie. I apologize. But I don't think I've seen a comment yet. So if anyone comments to take my time on this, I will do that for you next time. 27. Cute. Okay, let me look at the Christmas. See if there's ornaments. This is adorable. Little cups. Oh, these are the Starbucks ones this season. Regular price. Well, I think it's 40% off, but cute. 45. There is ornaments. It's 2 for $25. In case you were wondering. So yeah, Mickey, Minnie, Tinkerbell, Evil Witch, Cruella, Incredibles, Elsa, all the princesses. Olaf. I love this one. They just need Figaro right there. Princesses. Look how cute this one is. I would have this on my desk. And then just like big snow, like blown ones. Alright, and then everything else is like regular price or like $16 for the mini plushies, $12, $28, $24, $16. So it's like on sale, but not on clearance for the holiday. Yeah. Ooh. The Big Feet plushies are $24. Do I need one? Yes. Should I get one? No. And Munchkins at $12. Okay, we're gonna look at Christmas stuff. 50% off holiday. So not all of them. It's gonna get 30, huh? So pretty much just Christmas is 50% off, and I think everything else is the same. I don't see the additional percent. Huh. Nothing new either. Well, I don't know yet, actually. But it looks the same. So I'm here the day after Christmas on the 26th. And it says twice upon a year sale. But I'm not seeing an additional percent off. So I don't think there is. I thought it was today, but maybe it's in the weekend following today. Uh-oh. Okay, so maybe this will be the end of the footage. I mean, this one's still 30. It's not bad. I might get it. I'm going to see if they have my size. But yeah, huh. Was it the weekend? I can't remember now. I'm going to have to look at one of my past vlogs. There's a 2X and a 2X, so should have bought it. Oh, this is adorable. 22. This is absolutely adorable. How cute this is. And these are embroidered. These weren't here. Yeah, everything seems to be the same. The only thing that's different is Christmas is 50% off. That's it. Huh. I'm gonna end the vlog here because it looks like everything's the same. There's a couple new items, but they're regular priced. I will be back in a week and see what's left. Maybe I'll do another walkthrough. I think I'm gonna miss the additional 25% off. I think it's this weekend, but I am not sure. But yeah, it says twice upon a year sale, but it's the same stuff as when I came before Christmas. So, well, I hope you enjoyed. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And until next time, adios.